Let's begin this exercise by resizing the form. Now we pull up the Properties window, we go down to Text, and change the caption of the form to Face. We can see it changes on the form. Now we're going to draw on our controls that we need. One will be a label, and the other two will be buttons. We just draw them on, for now, just small size while I readjust these windows so you can see it. Okay, we'll take the label and position it right in the center at the top. This is going to be our face in wingdings format. Then our buttons will make it a little bit bigger. I'm not going to worry about it too much, we'll just make it look decent. Now with the label, we can open up the Properties window here for the label. And what we're going to worry about is it's a couple things. The text will just be the letter or letter K, capital K. And I know that doesn't make sense, but we're going to change the font to wingdings, where the K will just be a straight face. So over here in the font dialog box, which you can't see, I'm going to bring it over here in a second. We'll change the font face to wingdings and make it pretty big, size 24, and we OK that. So now that property is changed for the font on the label. See, it's a straight face. And one thing I forgot to do is to give it a good name, which is important. A programmer supplied name. The prefix is LBL, so we just call it LBL face, and that'll work. Now to button 1. Let's give it a good name to start with. The prefix for buttons is BTN. Notice it's all lowercase. Then smile, BTN smile. And I'm going to change the text on that button to say smile. So the user will know what to expect when they click that button. Second button will be the button for frown. So we'll type frown for the text and give it a good name, BTN frown. Notice the format there as we capitalize the F. So we're set. We've got the design time property set. Now we're going to code. And I double click on the button and it pulls up the code form. You can see that at the top here. We have the design of Form 1 and the actual code for Form 1. The asterisk on those means it hasn't been saved yet. So what I'm going to do when that button smile is clicked, it handles when BTN smile is clicked. The line of code I'm going to send to it is LBL face equals now a J, which just means it'll smile. That's what the J, capital J, is in wingdings. And then I put for the frown LBL face.text equals K. Let's go ahead and run this program. I'll go up and click on the Run or Start button in the toolbar. It says Start right there. The program will actually save. You can see the asterisks are gone on the design and in the code, and it saves everything up to the location where I've stored this project. It's a straight face and then smile, but look, oops, I've messed up. The frown is still pulling a straight face. Remember, I only changed it to a capital K. So I'm going to go back and stop this program. I can either just close the application or click the Stop Debugging button right on the toolbar. I'm going to go right back into my code and change that text to L, capital L, which will make it frown. There, I'm done.